night is trembling, the city sleeps, but I remain. Your shadow moves like whispered music and burns within my vein.
Come closer, I will guard your heartbeat, wrap it deep within my flame. No dawn shall steal what I awaken, the night will know your name.
Ah, monsieur, your words enchant me, but chains may hide beneath a kiss.
You promise stars eternal splendor, but all I crave is this:
a breath of dawn, a drop of daylight, a life that's truly mine.
Your love is night's reflection, so beautiful yet blind. Surrender now, and all the heavens shall bend their knees to you.
Together through 1,000 midnights, our dream will still be true. My soul was born from silence, my heart from endless flame. The world shall fade before us, forever in my name. Your world is built on longing, a mirror made of fear. I walk toward the morning, the song of life is near. No crown of ash can hold me, no vow can bind my will.
I laugh
At night's devotion,
the light shall find me still.
hearts divided, one desire, bound by shadows, torn by fire. The bells cry out, the storm replies, love's reflection slowly
My lady, the night is mine forever.
but never shall you own my soul.
I wake, I rise, I'm whole.